Right guys, this is the real exciting bit where we really get to format. Format means change the colours and styles and really add some life to this information system. So, let's say I wanted to change the style of one slide to the next. So if I go to the home, and on the home I change it to red. And on hardware, I go to format and change it to word art style. Now, in graphic design, we work on this thing called consistency, and consistency means like the same kind of style. But if you look across the slides now, you've got black word art there, red text there, black text there. There's no consistency in style. So if I go back and back again, what I can do is I can change the whole style and feel of the presentation using something called the master slide. And to do this, we go View and we go to Slide Master. If you want to go back off Slide Master, because these are the master pages, you click Close Slide Master and then you go View Slide Master. Now, the interesting thing is you've got masters here, but each master is a particular layout within PowerPoint and it only adjusts that layout. So for example, if I change the master style on this layout and changed it to red, for example, and then I went to Slide Master and closed the master view, it's not affected any of these slides. The reason being, because if I added a new slide with that particular layout, which I think was this one, it automatically becomes red all of a sudden because I've adjusted that master. I'll put that back to title and content and it loses that master feel. So I'll go back, and back again. So what I need to do is as an overall master, which is not the master, sorry, it is not the master, it is the master. So the master is this big boy here at the top. And if you click on this, this controls the feel of all slides. So if I pull this down a little bit like that, and I pull this down a little bit like that, what I'm going to do is, you could have a menu at the side here with buttons, you could have a menu across the top. For the purpose of this example I'm doing with you, I'm going to put my buttons going across the top. So I'm just going to put a box in the top. I'm going to go Insert, and I'm going to click a box. I'm just going to leave that there, because that's where the header is going to go. I'm going to make the header yet. I'm just going to make enough space in the layout so I can have a header. Now I'm going to click on this box here, and I'm going to change the style of it. So you can have whatever style you want. So if I click on this box on the edges, or I highlight it, doesn't matter which way you go. I can choose a style of word art which I like if I want. So I'll have a browse around, maybe I want it to look something like that, or you can change the font style, you can do what you want basically. But when you're happy, so I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to make it bold, so it stands out a bit more. And I'm going to go to Format, and I'm going to make it red. If I'm not happy with that, and I want it a bit more chunky, all I need to do is have a look at the different fonts and pick whatever style I want. So once I'm happy with that, I don't quite like the borders now, so I'm going to go to there and I want the border style. So text outline there. So there's a text border around the edges, and you can also highlight it, and there's these lovely things called text effects. So we can have like glows, we can have reflections, we can have bevels. Have a play with this and find something you like. You met some really cool text. It's a bit too much, I think. You can change the text direction. All sorts of stuff you can do. I'm just going to go with a simple shadow, I think, something like that. Then, this section here, I'm going to adjust the font. I'm going to right click first of all, I'm going to go to bullets. Now, I'm going to change my bullets to red, so they match the bullets we have. I'm going to have ticks, I think, as well. I think I might just leave the text black. I quite like it black and red. So I'm happy with this now. So if I go back to Slide Master and go to Close Master View, because I've used the master, it's automatically adjusted every single page. And even if I wanted to add a new page, if I click new slide, it adds a new slide and it holds the text styles for you. So that's using the master slide to help you format and create a consistent feel.